Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about the company and the stock e.l.f. Beauty, e.l.f. This is going to be my fourth video on e.l.f. Beauty, so make sure you guys check out my other three videos on e.l.f. Beauty, my other three parts I should say. And so now we're going to be talking about whether e.l.f. is a buy, a sell, what's going on with this company, is it crashing?
I just made $5 million. $5 million. That's $5 million the past month investing. As you can see, I have more than $100 million. Subscribe to my channel so I can teach you how to make millions.
Let me tell you about my day so far. Coffee in Paris, surfed the Maldives, took a little nap on Mount Kilimanjaro. Oh yeah, and I got digits from this Polish chick in Rio. And then I jumped back for the final quarter of the NBA Finals. Courtside, of course. And all that was before lunch. I could go on, but all I'm saying is, I'm standing on top of the world.
Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about the company and the stock e.l.f. Beauty, e.l.f. This is going to be my fourth video on e.l.f. Beauty, so make sure you guys check out my other three videos on e.l.f. Beauty, my other three parts I should say. And so now we're going to be talking about whether e.l.f. is a buy, a sell, what's going on with this company, is it crashing. We're going to be analyzing this company right now. I've already analyzed it pretty much, but today is a different day, so we can just go over it again briefly and go over new stuff that I haven't mentioned to you guys yet. So there will be new information in this video, so make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and without any further ado, let's get started. So with the e.l.f. Beauty, we can see in the very short term, we could see that it's actually been going up. 2.7% has been going up. But now when we look at the 1 week, well, the 1 week trend, we can see that it's actually been showing a different story. We can see it's going down, and when we look at the month, down 7.51% in the past month. e.l.f. Beauty, e.l.f. has been going down 7.5% the past month. And when you look at the past 3 months, it's been going down almost 28%. 28%. This is bad news for e.l.f. Beauty, but some people can look at this as a discount. Are we talking about a 60% discount? 60% discount. Is that what we're talking about over here, e.l.f. Beauty? Or is it gonna drop to a 90% discount? What are we talking about over here? See, when we look at e.l.f. Beauty, it's been pretty much going down since forever. Like, I mean, maybe at the beginning when it was first like a IPO right around here, it went up, but then it just went back down and it started crashing. So that I don't even know if I want to count that as going up. But ever since that, yeah, it has these little tiny up movements, but that doesn't count because look at it, it's been going on a downward trend. We can see that the PE ratio looking good, looking healthy. We can look at the volume, and the volume looking decent. No dividends, so that's bad news. Zero dividends, zilch, nada, cetera. We can look at the recent news. When we look at the recent news for e.l.f. Beauty, we can see that there isn't really major news in the short term that's going to be a game changer for e.l.f. Beauty. In the short term, we're talking about the 13 analysts. Among these 13 analysts, 23% are saying it's a buy. 46% are saying it's a hold, and 31% are saying it's a sell. Now, when we look at the earnings per share, it's actually looking good. Look at it; it's been going up. So the fundamentals for this company is actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, the fundamentals looking good, but the volatility is in the higher range. We know that the CEO, Tarang P. Amin, he headquartered this company in Oakland, California, founded in 2013, as I showed you guys earlier. Right here, that's where it was. Oh, actually, so it actually went public in 2016, from this graph over here. But he founded the company in 2013, employs 414 people. So they have a decent amount of employees, and we can see that e.l.f. Beauty Inc. is a holding company which engages in cosmetics and skincare product. It operates through U.S. and international geographical segments. The company sells cosmetic products through the retail customers, e.l.f. stores, and e-commerce channels. The company was founded on December 20th, 2013 and is headquartered in Oakland, California. The FINRA listed name for e.l.f. is e.l.f. Beauty Inc. So looking good right here. So we can see over here what the people have to say about e.l.f. Beauty. You can see 203 Hungry Man over here saying e.l.f. small piece of here. So I guess he's not a big fan of e.l.f. Beauty over here. We can see over here short interest ratio of e.l.f. is 14.51 at 2019 to March 15, and short. So they're talking about the float essentially. And when we look at right here, AI Stock Finder, it says e.l.f. Beauty Inc. not overvalued, a limited upside move to come. Limited upside, limited. So that's what the AI Stock Finder over here is saying. Reisenhofer insider Milson Scott reports selling 13,000 shares of e.l.f. 13,000 shares for a total cost of $106,903. So we can look at, there's a lot of insider trading going on. Make me money, Jeff. So actually a lot of people are looking bearish. We could see Framus Morgan saying bearish. So there seems to be short selling hype over here. None of these people seem to be feeling e.l.f. Okay, this person King Zahi, they seem to like e.l.f. Thank you, Jeffrey Star, for giving e.l.f. an excellent review. He has 13 million followers and just posted this video 2 years ago or 2 hours ago. So Jeffree Star, a celebrity with 13 million subscribers, seems to like e.l.f. Beauty. So this is good publicity for e.l.f. Beauty, but were they paid off? That's the question. Where was what's their name? Jeffree Star paid off? So there could be some shady things going on, but I don't have no evidence for that. e.l.f., I remember Kramer pumping this stock so much. So Kramer was pumping this stock. We can see here's Jeremy from Financial Education looking bullish. Cruz 77 just watched this video about e.l.f. He breaks down how the stock would grow over time. Check it out. So when we look at the analysts, what did the analysts have to say? We could see the analysts are actually looking at this company in March as a buy, actually. So they were a sell, but now they're actually looking like a buy. But when you look at the overall rating opinion from 11 analysts it's a hold. So we can see it's in the low range, and we know that the fundamentals of this company is pretty decent, pretty good. And when we look at the hourly, we can see that actually e.l.f. Beauty's, since the last day on a Friday, we can look that it has it's looking good. It's looking like a buy. But when we look at the daily and the weekly and the monthly and the long term, the technical aspect, it looks like a strong sell. And this is because of the bearish sentiment over here. You know, a chatter on the floor is out. e.l.f. You take out e.l.f. raises to strong buy price target is $45. Episcopalian seems to like e.l.f. But they're see right here, it says, see in the monthly, it looks like a strong sell, because when we look at the S1, the S2 and S3 looking good, the R1 and R2, R3 looking poor. Now when we look at the MA5 through the MA